I've been having a good time. We're the ice truck ninjas, and it's me, E Crazy and D-O-double-T, and we will take away everything that you ever known.
Hi, I'm D-O-double-T and I'm having such a grand day, yo. Minus the surgery I had this morning, but they gave me some pain pills, so I'm high as a kite, and I just want you to know that you're a cool guy.
Sometimes I feel like I'm getting old, but I just ignore all the pain, and I'll tell my kids the same. Even if they all try to get a bigger fist than I.
If my children step to me, I give them 2 black eyes apiece, and I kick them both in the ass, and I take away their phones for a week, and they won't play no PlayStation 4. It'll be a fortnight, 2 weeks. Nerd.
Here's an example. Now go sit in the corner, bitch.
Stupid bitch.